You similarly will need to make yearly plan. 2. It's a journey based on your individual goals. You need to assess where you are and where you want to go next. Hello there! Welcome back to my channel, your go-to destination for all things financial wellness and cash flow real estate investments. I am Korianne, and today we are diving deep into the topic of achieving financial independence. It's not just a destination, it's a journey. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's talk about assessing where you are financially and setting realistic goals for the year ahead. I want to dive into the annual routine that has propelled me to financial independence within a decade by checking in on where my current finances are and what I can do in the next 12 months. 10 questions have been instrumental in shaping my financial journey. Take a moment to note these questions as they can be a game changer for you too. As we step into the new year, I have a small request for you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, now would be the perfect time. Currently, only 15% of our listeners have subscribed, and one of my 2024 goals is to increase that number to 40%. Also, just by having you subscribe, you are giving us a strong encouragement and support to continue bringing value to you with videos such as this one. Creating this video requires a significant effort from both me and my team, so I humbly ask for your support. Please become a subscriber and let's embark on this journey to financial independence together. It's a gift we can give each other, supporting and inspiring one another to turn our financial dreams into reality. Let me open up about something I'm truly passionate about, and that's traveling with my sons. When they was 11 and 8 years old, it became this amazing annual ritual, an extended 8 to 10 weeks of a peer moms and son bonding during the summer. We visited 5 to 7 countries during these trips. Now, I will be honest, initially the idea of navigating foreign countries with my kiddos stirred up a mix of excitement and worry. The what ifs started piling up. What if we get lost? What if something go wrong? So to deal with these concerns, I took matter into my own hands, cleared the planning and research sections for each country on our itinerary. Safety is non-negotiable, and I ensure that the places we visit not only stick the safety box but also offer experience tailored to their age. Can you fathom the chaos? If I skip the research step, we would be a global hunt without the glue. So digging into the detail beforehand has become my fail-proof strategy to turn potential worries into wonderful memories. Of course, occasionally we do face unexpected challenges, but I was able to navigate them to ensure the trip ended with beautiful memories. To achieve your financial independence successfully and holistically, you similarly will need to make yearly plan. 2. It's a journey based on your individual goals. You need to assess where you are and where you want to go next so that you don't feel overwhelmed. These are the 10 questions that I want to share with you today. For the first 5 questions, you need to assess where you are with your current finances, and the last 5 questions are on what you may have heard of before: the start, stop, and continue analysis. What do you want to continue to do more of that works for you, your finances? What you can stop doing when it does not serve your financial goals? And what can you start doing to improve the area that needs to improve? Are you ready? Here are the first 5 questions to understand your starting point. Question number 1 is, what is your current net worth and how has it changed in the past year? Knowing these numbers help identify what you did to increase or decrease your net worth. Question number 2, are you carrying any high interest debts and what your plan to pay it off. High interest rates will take over your savings goals, so you need to be aware of these debts. Question number 3, are your spending habits aligned with your financial goals? Check whether you spend on big expenses that you should not spend on. Question number 4, do you have an emergency fund and is it sufficient for unexpected expenses? This account should cover 6 to 9 months of your monthly expenses. Question number 5, what are your major sources of income and are there opportunities to increase them? Now that you are assessed where we are, and let's talk about setting achievable goals for the upcoming year. Remember, small consistent steps lead to significant changes over time. This next 5 questions will allow us to make changes, improve, and continue doing what has worked for you in the recent year. Question number 6. What specific financial goals do you want to achieve in the next 12 months? Maybe pay off high interest debts, pay off your car balance, or perhaps pay off your student loans, or save 15% of your income for a down payment on an investment property. Question number 7. How much can I realistically save or invest each month? You can examine your monthly budget sheet in detail from the last week video about mastering your finances in 2024. I put the link in the description below so you can watch it and start using one of the free financial tools that I share. Question number 8. Are there areas in your budget that you can optimize to free up more funds? Maybe cutting expenses that no longer serve your long-term financial goals. Going through your last year's budget, you can see what you can cut. Question number 9. What investment align with your long-term financial objectives? Are you well-versed in cash flow property investments or any other form of cash flow investments? It is very necessary to educate yourself about the specific type of investment before committing your funds. Mitigating risk involves a deep understanding of your investment, empowering you to make well-informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Always prioritize knowledge as a key element in the decision-making process before putting your money to work any investment venture. The last question is, how can I diversify my income stream to enhance financial stability? If you find yourself heavily invested in a single company within the equity market, it's crucial to diversify your portfolio. Relying solely on one company or one single asset class can mean putting all your eggs in one basket, making you vulnerable in case of business downturns. Exploring alternative investment streams can help mitigate this risk, ensuring that even if one venture faces challenges, your overall financial well-being remains secure. Another avenue to consider is diving into the world of real estate by learning how to invest in your first cash flow property. With promising opportunity on the horizon, it could be a strategic move to broaden your investment portfolio. Alright, before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. What is your biggest financial goal for this year? Drop it in the comment below and let's support each other on this journey. Also, let me know if you have any specific topics you would like me to cover in the future videos. Your feedback are greatly appreciated. Thank you for joining me on this journey toward financial independence. Remember, it's about a progress, not perfections. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content and ring the bell to stay up to date. Until next time, take care of your finances and take a step closer to the life you envisioned. I will see you in the comment section below. Let's learn, invest, and make an impact. Ciao!